Good morning, Andrew checking in from Neen Overland and Revolve. Just thought we'd have a little tour around some of the things we've got going on in the body shop today. Some quite interesting jobs, funnily enough. 3 of them are all soft tops. We do lots of soft top defenders. The first one is part of a Wolf that we supplied a customer a couple of years ago and sort of turned it into a Keswick green sort of heritage with a mohair sand hood. So we've got in here, we've basically got the rear body and the bulkhead on an old chassis that we use to put body parts on, so we can work on the engineering side concurrently while we're doing stuff on the bodywork in the body shop. And what we're doing is the customer wants more fuel capacity because we're putting a 5.3 litre V8 petrol in it, is we're going to put it on a new chassis, but we're changing the skin on this side so we can basically put the filler neck where it would be, as you can see here, on a Puma. That's the plan. So that's why that's in here at the moment. Moving along a little bit, we've got another 98, 97 sort of vintage left-hand drive, 300 TDI, ex-Italy this one, soft top. So the chassis on this is lovely. We've got 3 or 4 of these in stock. We decided to do this one in Welsh grey with a black contrast sort of mohair hood. We're now painting all the bulkhead and everything to make sure it's not just what you can see, what's behind what you can see is also correct. And then we're going to wrap to coat all the plastics for the dash and add some Melvin and Moon canvas covers on the top of the dash and so on. So hopefully a week down the road we'll have all that done and we'll be able to photograph it properly. This vehicle potentially will go out to the USA. Maybe it'll end up with an LS3 V8 once it gets there for the customer over there. So that's what's going on with this Land Rover. Moving along to the next one. This one's originally a Black 90 XS hardtop, which is now sold, which we're doing in Grasmere Green, which is that run-out colour, Heritage 2016 run-out colour. Everybody loves this colour. This one's also going to end up with a 5.3 litre V8 in it. So now, of course, they're just doing all the paint work. And we wrap to coat the inside, and we do that in satin, Grasmere Green, so it all ties in. So when this comes out the other end, it will look fantastic. The dash is also going to be all done in satin Grasmere Green with a contrast leather top and so on and so forth. So we're looking forward to having this one done. And the plan is that if our customer's happy, we may take this to the Goodwood Members Show in mid-April and have it on our stand down there. Just to finish, we've got 2 big ovens in here. We can pan up and just see the ovens. We're very well lit, so we can see what we're doing. So we can work on 2 jobs concurrently in the ovens, large paint ovens, or we can prep parts in one and hang them up and paint them while we're painting the vehicle in the other oven. So at the minute they've got some parts for this vehicle over here, the far one actually. These are bits that are going on that Keswick Green Wolf, because it's having the V8 engine. We're putting a Puma bonnet on it, and then there's some cappings that we're redoing for it as well. That's what's going on in there. And in this one here, we've got one of our stock sales vehicles, which is a black 110 XS. We can come in here, which we're just doing a bit of remedial paintwork. It's a very nice Land Rover, but I like things to be as they should be and correct. Ideally before the clients come and look at them, but sometimes it happens after us because we're just so busy. So there's a little bit of remedial paintwork we're doing to this. And so fingers crossed this will be back out in the sales line for sometime tomorrow. So thanks very much for your attention. It's always good to show everybody what we're up to because it's such a diverse company with the amount of things that we can get up to at the same time. So enjoy our little touch base video this morning. We'll catch up soon. Thank you.